right? Oh, it's getting everywhere. I don't know if this is a good idea, but usually when I do it, it doesn't look like this. But hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shawna, and in today's video we're gonna do my everyday makeup tutorial. So let's just say my makeup is very natural. I don't really do all of this, but I like to keep it very natural, very clean. Before we get into the video, if you can please subscribe, hit that post notification bell. Let's get into the video. Okay girl, so I already washed my face, and yeah, I might just get into the video. I feel like, I don't know, do people still do tutorials? I don't know girl, but yeah. So this is for a foundation. I've been using this foundation for literally like 5-6 years, and MAC just breaks me out. I don't got the best skin, so I just stick to what works for me. So this is the Revlon Color Stay Normal Dry 400 in Caramel. Let's let that load real quick. Let it load. Usually I do one pump. Yeah girl, 1.5. Let me do a half. 1.5 pump. Half. That's a half. See? Boo. I don't got a mirror. Oh my god, I forgot my mirror. I'm gonna go get my mirror. Hold on. Okay girl, I got my mirror. I was not about to look like no clown, so yeah girl, let's do this. So I got my 1.5 pound what's this, foundation. So yeah girl, I just okay, also I don't use brushes girl. I'm lazy. I do not like to wash a brush, so I just use my clean hand. So I make sure I wash my hands and then put it on my face. Booyah. Baby girl, you could do it with your hands. Blending though, it's gonna be tricky. We're gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how to blend. So first I start, you know, put it on my face. Got a couple order marks. These are battle marks, boo. You know, I work hard. This is battle marks. So I'm covering my battle marks on my face. Let them know that I'm a hard worker. And blend, boo. Blend. You gotta cover. So what? All right, so yeah, I don't got the best skin, right? And I accept that. It's fine. I'm beautiful. It's okay. Like, what I do though is I don't wear so much makeup. Like, I like when my makeup is natural. I don't like when it's like pounded. And if you like your makeup pounded, baby girl, that's good. Like, I just can't, like, it just feels too heavy on my skin. I don't have like the best skin already, so if I'm like pounding mad makeup, boo, I don't got time. So I just like to do it natural. So this is what I'm gonna do, girl. Blend with my finger, girl. Okay, so when you're done putting on the foundation, I'm gonna need you to grab some tissue, girl. Okay, that's priority. Okay, boo. So get your tissue. I'm serious. I'm so good. You know, wipe around your lip. I don't know, girl. You know, make sure you get it. You know. Next, what I'm gonna do is conceal the bags, because bags are bad. So right now, I'm about to conceal my bags, girl, and then also I'm gonna outline my eyebrows. So let me do my eyebrows actually. So what I take is an older, what's it called? Mascara. Yeah, I feel like this is okay. Take 2. What I take is an old mascara and I just brush away. I brush out my hair on my eyebrows. Yes, that's what I do. So let's do that. So I brush up. Then I take my mascara. This is actually Revlon Color Stay Concealer 05 Medium Deep. Alright, let me just figure out. Why is the lighting bad? Okay, there we go. Lighting, need lighting. So I'm gonna go under these bags, boo, because you know I like my bags and all, but sometimes I just want to cover it. They heavy sometimes. I just want to be like boom. So I'm gonna do my bags, you know. I go right underneath the bag line. I feel like I saw this, like, a girl, I forgot who it was, but like she was doing, like, she was concealing her bags. She had bags too. She made them disappear. I don't know how to make them disappear, but it's okay. So I'm gonna just conceal, okay? And then yeah, like, ooh, that look cute, right? They're so cute. Okay, and then I'm gonna outline here. Time to blend, baby. So I got this old brush. I'm not gonna, this is how my makeup bag look, I'm gonna be honest. I got this old brush, right? I forgot from where, but it's like a little tiny brush. It's dirty a little bit. See, this is why I don't do brushes, girl. This is why I don't do brushes. So I got this little tiny brush, and then I'm gonna just use that to blend out my brow, boo. Blend my brow. Okay, so I gotta use this mirror. Okay, so I'm gonna be here. Blend my brow. Okay, so brows are blended. I'm gonna go back and blend them more, but now I'm about to blend my eye bags out. Maybe they can leave once I blend it out. I don't know, leave my bags. So I'm gonna blend it out and then blend it up. Okay, we gotta blend up. You don't want to age, girl, so you make sure you go up. Okay, up. Moisturizer up. Is it up? Yeah, up. Everything up. Okay, so blending this now. Up. Up. Don't go outside with your white concealer, girl. Make sure you blend. I'm not even joking, girl. Because that's not cute, girl. We're trying to look cute. Okay, so now that everything is blended, what I'm about to do is go back with my concealer and rebrush my eyebrow. By the way, this is empty, so this is old. There's nothing else in here. I'm just using this as a brush. Okay, I know I could go buy a brush, but I was like, you know what, might as well just use a brush. So yeah, let's blend. I mean, let's brush. Let's brush. Girl, then you go back in, get your tissue. Make sure you dry your hand. Not dry your hand, but wipe your hand off from that concealer. So next, what I'm about to do is put some... What I'm about to do now is use this gold color pop. It's called Avalanche Super Sheer Cheek. This is actually really old. Like, I had this for a long time, but whatever. And then I'm gonna just put... I use this little tiny... I use this little tiny brush for the concealer and then use that to put on my eye, girl. Okay. So now I'm gonna just, you know, put some there. And then I'm gonna put some underneath my waterline, if that's what it's called. And then, yeah. Okay, so that's done. Looks like I have nothing on my face, but it's okay, girl. It's natural. So now what I'm about to do, right? Go back to that gold and put some highlight on, girl. Let me highlight my nose with the finger. Okay, not the finger. So look down the nose, below, you know, and then go on the side here. Then put it there and blend, girl. You gotta blend like no tomorrow. Wow, it looks like I have nothing on my face. I don't know if that's a good thing, but it is called a natural tutorial. So ooh, look at the highlighter. It's highlighting my pimples. Wow, highlight. So now, right, remember how I got two of these? Oh, I never told y'all. So I actually got two of these. One I use for my eyebrows, the other one I use for my lashes. It actually does have some in it. I actually need to buy some more, but oh look, see, it got some in there. See, I'm about to put that on my lashes real quick. So yeah, gonna look good real quick. I actually don't wear fake lashes. I just don't know how to do it. I feel like if I do fake lashes, I'm gonna be stuck. Like, I'm gonna glue my eyes together. I'm gonna have no eyes to see. So I don't want to do lashes. But I'm sure if someone does it for me, or if I go somewhere, then they gonna do it. I feel like when you do your mascara, you be looking crazy like this. I think it just makes you have crazy facial expressions. You can't see. Do it look like I got something on my face? But remember, ooh, I'm glowing, I'm glowing, I'm glowing, I'm glowing. Ooh, I'm glowing. You see my, ooh, did I blink? Oh no, that's good. You see my highlight, girl? And I feel like, honestly, with natural makeup, put some highlighter on, girl. You need to shine with your natural skin, girl. Just let them know. Especially in the summertime, it's too hot for all that. So if you got like a little bit and then you got like highlight, girl. And I feel like highlight under your eyes, especially in your cheek, girl. Okay, so now I'm about to do blush. So this blush is old as heck. I hope I do not break out from this. It's called CoverGirl. You won't even see the name on there anymore, girl, but it's okay. The color is called Blush Cheekers. I don't know. So yeah, girl, put a little pink on my face, girl. You gotta have a little color. Okay, so my face is done. The last thing on my tutorial is my lips. So I usually like to do chapstick, right? I put a little chapstick. So I use a Fenty Beauty in the Unveil, so the chocolate brown. And then, girl, I'm so natural in my makeup that look what I do. Like, I literally like line my lips and then blend it out to like be the whole thing. Like, look. So I put like 4 dots, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that wasn't really a dot. That was weird. Then I do this, right? Oh, it's getting everywhere. I don't know if this is a good idea. But usually when I do it, it doesn't look like this, but it's okay. So then I do like this, right? And then blend. Ooh, girl, that's a mess. Hold on. Hold on. Get my tissue again. Oh, this looking so good. I looked. Oh. Okay. So I look like this. And blend, girl. Put a little more. Because we ain't trying to be stingy either. 2. And then her hair at the end. This is my everyday makeup look, guys. Sometimes, like most of the time, I do wear the Fenty. When I don't, I'm just wearing like chapstick or like a lip gloss, and booyah, booyah, booyah. I'm really feeling this. Let me know in the comments if you guys thought this video was helpful. Do you guys want to see more videos like this? Because I know I do a lot of hauls. So if you want to see like more of like me into my life, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that post notification bell. I'll be back on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Peace.